Is there a Canadian Zelle? // your fast money transfer options explained. Ever needed to send some cash to a friend in a hurry? Maybe you forgot your wallet at their place after a board game night, or need to chip in for a last-minute birthday gift. We've all been there. Today, we're diving into the world of fast money transfers, specifically a service called Zelle. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, there's a burning question. Main question. Is Zelle even available in Canada? Building context. If you're a regular online shopper or follow American trends, you might have heard of Zelle. It's a popular money transfer service in the U.S., allowing people to send and receive cash directly through their bank apps. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But here's the catch. Zelle is heavily tied to the U.S. banking system. So, while it might seem like the perfect solution for that emergency friend fund transfer, there's a good chance it won't work for you if your bank account is based in Canada. Canadian alternatives. But fear not, Canadian friends. There are several excellent options available for quick and easy money transfers within Canada or even internationally. Here are a few of the most popular. Interac eTransfer. This is a widely used Canadian service that lets you send money directly from your bank account to someone else's email address or mobile phone number. It's secure, convenient, and perfect for sending cash to friends and family within Canada. Bank wire transfers. While not the fastest option, it can take a few business days. Wire transfers are a reliable way to send larger sums of money domestically or internationally. Just keep in mind that wire transfers typically come with fees, so they might not be ideal for smaller transactions. Money transfer services. Companies like Wise, formerly TransferWise, and WorldRemit offer online money transfer services with competitive exchange rates and often lower fees than traditional banks. These can be a great option for sending money internationally. Choosing the right option. So, how do you pick the best money transfer service for your needs? Here are a few factors to consider. Speed. How quickly does the recipient need the money? Interac eTransfer is the fastest option for sending money within Canada, while wire transfers and money transfer services can take longer. Cost. Be sure to compare fees associated with each service. Some might have flat fees, while others charge a percentage of the amount you're transferring. Security. Always choose a reputable and secure money transfer service. Look for companies that use encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your financial information. Exploring Zelle further. Now, even though Zelle isn't currently available for Canadians, let's peek into how it works in the U.S. for those curious. Zelle is integrated directly into many U.S. bank apps. Users can send money using a recipient's email address or mobile phone number linked to their bank account. The transfer is typically instant, making it a great choice for splitting bills or sending a quick gift. Back to Canada. But remember, Canadian friends, for your fast money transfers within the country, stick with Interac eTransfer or similar services offered by your bank. So, there you have it. While Zelle isn't an option for Canadians just yet, there are plenty of excellent alternatives for sending money quickly and securely. Remember, consider the speed, cost, and security factors when choosing the service that best suits your needs.